The ultimate forest harvesting machines. Peak human skills and expertise, all featured in today's video. Let's explore now. John Deere H4 80C, the ultimate forest harvesting machine. With a maximum cutting diameter of 25.6 inches, the John Deere H4 80C can overcome any challenge to conquer the green forest. With 640 horsepower of raw power, the M650M is a giant mulching machine dominating every forest. Its ultra-hard carbide teeth tear through 90-centimeter tree trunks like grinding dry grass. This is an ancient giant, standing for centuries in this pristine forest. For a safe felling operation, every single calculation must be executed with absolute precision. The critical cuts are now in progress. Wow, did you hear that cracking sound? The giant is about to fall. Want to witness a tree-destroying beast in action? Here it is. A monster with a 1,000 RPM cutting disc that can fell 800 trees per day. Its blade grips the tree trunk, and with one swift motion, sawdust flies like rain as the tree is lifted into the air. It's both awe-inspiring and strangely beautiful to watch. What do you think? This is the ultimate challenge for forestry drivers, reversing a 14-ton trailer up a 30-degree slope. With its four-wheel drive system, the Kronos 144WDM moves like a powerful beast, conquering elevation one step at a time. Want to see how an extremely efficient homemade wood splitter works? Check this machine out. Complete with power switches, smooth hydraulic system, and incredible power. How does it split wood? Let's find out. Wow, truly impressive. Can you guess how many pieces it splits in one go? Try counting them. Yes, it splits into 24 perfect pieces. Imagine how long that would take with an axe. Would you like one of these? Let us know in the comments below. These muddy patches are nothing for the MTZ-892, a powerful tractor that excels in challenging terrains and forest swamps. Let's see how effortlessly it handles timber transportation. Transporting logs by aircraft. Have you heard about it? Yes, it's a fascinating transportation method that helps move timber from special locations where trucks can't access. It's quite a premium transportation method, isn't it? But it's essential. Moorbark 23X, a powerful wood grinding machine with a 1,050 horsepower engine, designed to process all types of wood waste from tree trunks to branches. With a 16,000-pound rotor and intelligent conveyor system, the machine can continuously grind with productivity up to 120 tons per hour. Coming up next, see these powerful beasts tear those massive tree stumps from the earth. Incredibly powerful. And destructive. Let's keep the adventure going. This truck is incredibly versatile. Equipped with an optimized log loading system, it stacks those long logs quickly and neatly. Working and moving through the snowy forest is both beautiful and exhilarating. Felling giant trees in the scorching western heat at Sierra National Forest, California is truly intense, yet our loggers are extraordinary. They say men look their finest when their eyes shine with passion for their work. That couldn't be more true. That is a beautiful shot. The Dipper Fox 850 Pro is a specialized stump grinder, specifically designed to attach to skid steers and multi-purpose excavators. Let's watch how it digs out this tree stump. The wood-crushing beast, Peterson 6300 drum chipper. This heavy-duty machine shreds massive logs in seconds, turning everything into sawdust. With unstoppable power, the Peterson 6300 is known as the monster of the forestry industry, ready to pulverize any wood in its path. Unmatched strength, all in the blink of an eye. Wow, look at that front end lifting off the ground. Hauling massive logs through the forest is truly dangerous work. The forwarder is dragging these enormous logs up the steep slope, risking a rollover at any moment. Let's watch how this legendary machine overcomes this nail-biting life-or-death challenge. Extremely dangerous. Want to see more epic monster logging machines? Subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new beast machines.